AI chips are a hot investment, but are they worth trillions? In 2000, the dot-com bubble burst. Could AI follow? Some see limitless potential, while others warn of overvaluation. We'll explore if this time is different or history repeating. Unlike past bubbles, AI isn't just hype, it's backed by real tech, like Nvidia's GPUs, now used as collateral for loans. Unlike dot-com stocks, these chips aren't just speculative, they're the engines powering AI. Wall Street calls them a new asset class, but critics wonder if this is sustainable or another bubble waiting to burst. AI chips like Nvidia's GPUs are now collateral for loans like a car loan, but riskier. Wall Street treats them as valuable assets, but critics compare it to the dot-com bubble, hype without real substance. If AI demand crashes, who will be left holding the debt? Nvidia's GPUs power AI like car engines, but Wall Street treats them as financial assets. Critics ask, is this a smart investment or another bubble? Unlike dot-com stocks, these chips have real value. They drive AI's future. Let's step back. Is this AI boom justified, or are we repeating past bubbles? Think of it like trading car parts, except these aren't just parts. They're the engines powering AI. Nvidia's GPUs, for example, are now treated as collateral, traded like stocks but backed by real hardware. Unlike dot-com stocks, these chips have tangible value. They drive real tech. But is that enough to prevent another crash? The risk is still there. Let's shift gears from finance to education, where AI is rewriting the rules of learning. Imagine a student solving a physics problem in seconds with an AI tool, but the real challenge isn't getting the answer, it's understanding why it works. Programs like ET Masterclass teach students to use AI as a thinking partner, not a shortcut. It's about turning instant answers into deeper knowledge. Critical thinking becomes the new superpower. AI can solve a physics problem instantly, but that speed comes at a cost. Students might get the answer right away, but they miss the deeper understanding of why it works. Programs like ET Masterclass use AI as a thinking partner, not just a shortcut. Here, students learn to ask better questions and think critically, turning quick answers into real learning. Critical thinking becomes the new superpower in an age where information is fast, but wisdom takes time. Let's compare AI's current boom to past high-stakes gambles. SpaceX, for example, is valued at a staggering $8 trillion, yet its stock has dropped over 3% recently. Meanwhile, FMCG companies saw a $5.2 billion sell-off in just 12 months due to inflated prices. Now, AI chips like Nvidia's are being traded as assets, but critics warn this might not be sustainable. The risk isn't just in the tech, it's whether we're building something lasting or another bubble waiting to pop. Is AI's growth real innovation or just hype? Compare it to SpaceX's $8 trillion valuation, where shares soared but risks remained, or FMCG selloffs, where inflated prices later crashed. Nvidia's chips are now treated like financial assets, even used as collateral. But critics warn this could backfire if the market corrects. The question isn't just about tech, it's whether we're building something lasting or another bubble waiting to pop. So how do you approach AI without getting caught up in the hype? If you're an investor, treat AI chips like any other asset. Do your research. Don't just chase trends. Look at fundamentals. For students, use AI as a thinking partner, not a shortcut. Tools like ET Masterclass help teach the why behind answers, turning critical thinking into a superpower. And for everyday users, stay curious but skeptical. Ask questions, understand the risks, and don't let speed replace depth. The key is balance. Whether you're in finance or education, AI should empower, not replace, your own judgment. AI isn't just about flashy tools, it's reshaping industries. From chips traded like assets to learning platforms that teach critical thinking. But hype can blind us. Like SpaceX's $8 trillion valuation or FMCG selloffs, inflated prices often lead to crashes. Nvidia's chips aren't just tech, they're financial bets. The risk? Using them as collateral could backfire. So how do you navigate this? For investors, research fundamentals, not trends. For students, use AI to learn the why, not just get answers fast. And for everyone, balance curiosity with skepticism. AI should empower your judgment, not replace it. AI isn't just a trend, it's reshaping industries, from chips traded like financial assets to learning tools that teach critical thinking. But hype can blind us, as seen with SpaceX's $8 trillion valuation or FMCG selloffs. The risk? Inflated prices often lead to crashes. So how do you navigate this? For investors, research fundamentals, not trends. For students, use AI to learn the why, not just get answers fast. And for everyone, balance curiosity with skepticism. AI should empower your judgment, not replace it. If you're trying to understand whether AI's hype is justified or if we're on the brink of another economic crash, stick around. I'll break it